Sri Sai Ram. Welcome dear students. Today we will learn about 6th class mathematics integers part 2. Let us begin. In the previous class we already discussed about introduction, natural numbers. The natural numbers nothing but counting numbers. We start from 1 to infinite, right? Then whole numbers. The whole numbers start from 0 to infinite. Then integers. The integers are the natural numbers and their opposite numbers include with 0. Then how to representation of integers on a number line. Then compare the integers. There are some assignment questions are given. I hope everyone solved. Let us see how it's solved. Represent the number -6 on a number line. First, we draw a line, mark on some integers on a number line. Here, -6 is a negative integers, right? The -6 is, we start from 0 towards left side, right? Towards left side. In order to mark -6 on a number line, we move 6 points or 6 steps to the left of the 0, right? 6 steps, -6. Then write all the integers between -4 and +4. Here -4 is a negative integers and also +4 is a positive integers. Write all the integers between the -4 and +4. First, we draw a number line. The integers between the -4 and +4, -4 negative integers and also +4 is a positive integer, right? The integers between the -4 and +4, these are -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3, right? These are. Here the integer which is largest integer, +3 is a largest integer because we move towards right side, the number is increases. We move towards left side, the number is decreases, right? And then -3 is a smallest integer. Here -3 is a smallest, +3 is a largest integer. Then write 4 integers less than -10. 4 integers less than -10. You already know -10 is a negative integers. Less than, towards left side. The number start from 0 towards left side is less, number less. Here -10 less than -10 is -11, -12, -13, -14, -15, -16, -17. These are etc. Towards right side, the number is increases. Next, which is greater, -5 or +5? Which is greater? First, we draw a number line. -5 is a negative integer. Here we start from 0 towards left side, -5, negative integer. And also +5 is a positive integer, right? We see that in the number line the value of the number increases as we move to the right side, right? We move to the right side, the number is, we move to right side, the number is increases. We move to left side, towards left side, now the number is decreases. Therefore the +5 is greater than minus 5, right? The plus 5 is greater than minus 5. Then addition of integers on a number line, right? When we move ground floor to terrace using stairs, here step by step we move, that is addition, right? When we move terrace to ground floor, that is subtraction, less, right? Here you had, when you have two positive integers, the answer will get also positive integers, right? Here plus 3, I take plus 3 and also plus 2. These are two positive integers. The answer will take plus 5. Plus 3 plus 2 is equal to plus 5. The answer is also positive integer, right? The sign is same. Plus is equal to plus. Plus plus is equal to plus, right? The answer will take positive. Then let us add plus 3 and plus 2 on a number line. First, we draw a line, mark with some integers on a number line with the same distance, right? 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Same as 0 and minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4 with same distance. Here, let us add plus 3. We start from 0, plus 3, we move right side, towards right side. 1, 2, 3. 3 steps to the right from the 0. Then reach plus 3, right? Then we move 2 steps and plus 2 here. 2 steps to the right of 3. 2 steps to the right of 3, right? Plus 5. Then reach 5. We get 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, here 0 to, we move right from the 0 reaching plus 3, right? Then we move 2 steps to the right side from the 3, then reach plus 5, then reach plus 5. Thus we get the 3 plus 2 is equal to plus 5. Then you also had, when you have, I take 2 negative integers, right? But the answer will take a minus sign, right? Here, let us add, I take 2 negative integers, minus 2 and minus 3 on a number line. First, we draw a line, mark with integers on a number line with same distance, right? First, move 2 steps to the left from the 0, then reaching minus 2. We start from 0, right? 2 steps, 1, 2. Okay. Then we move 3 steps to the left of the minus 2. 3 steps to the left of the minus 2. 1, 2, 3. And then reach minus 5. Okay. Thus we get minus 2, minus 3. We had 2 integers, 2 negative integers, minus 2 and minus 3. Here, remove bracket, minus 2, plus into minus, what? Minus 3. Then answer will take minus. We had the 2 integers, minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5. right? Then when we had one positive integers and also one negative integers, we had one positive integers and also one negative integers, right? The answer will take, we must be subtracted, then answer take greater number sign, right? Here first we draw a number line, mark a integers on a number line with same distance, right? We first move 2 steps to the right from the 0, reaching plus 2, right? Plus 2. We start from 0, right? We move 2 steps, 1 and 2, then reaching plus 2, and then minus 3. Then we move 3 steps to the left of the plus 2, then reach minus 1, right? Thus we get minus 2, plus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. When we had 2 negative integers, we must be subtracted and then answer will take greater number sign, right? Then let us add one negative integers and also one positive integers on a number line. We must be subtracted and then answer will take also greater number sign, right? First we draw a number line and then mark on integers on a number line with same distance. Here we first move minus 2. Minus 2 is negative integers. 2 steps to the left from the 0, right? 2 steps, 1, 2, then reaching minus 2, right? And then we move plus 3. 3 steps to the right of the minus 2, plus 3, right? 3 steps to the right of the minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 3 steps, reaching plus 1, okay? Then we get minus 2 plus 3 is equal to plus 1, right? When we had one negative integers and also one positive integers, we must be subtracted and answer will take greater number sign, right? Minus 2 is a negative integer, plus 3 is a positive integer. Answer greater number sign. Which is greater? Plus 3 is greater, right? Greater number sign plus 1, right? Then examples. Add without using number line. First one, minus 10 plus of plus 19, right? Minus 10 plus into plus. First we remove brackets, plus into minus, minus 10, plus into plus, plus 19. When we had negative integers and one positive integers, we must be subtracted, right? And answer will take negative sign, greater number. 19 minus 10, how much? 9. Answer the greater number sign. Which is greater? Minus 10 or plus 19? Which is greater? Plus 19 is a greater, right? The answer will take plus 9, right? See, minus 10 plus 19 plus 9. Then I take another example, minus 7 plus of minus 9 plus 4 plus 16, right? First we remove brackets, plus into minus, no sign, we put positive plus sign, right? Plus into minus, minus 7, right? Plus into minus, minus 9, and then plus 4 plus 16, right? Here minus 7 minus 19, 4 plus 16 is 20. Then minus 7 minus 9, both are negative integers, right? We had both are negative integers, the answer sign is negative. 7 plus 9, 16, answer will take negative, minus 16 plus 20, then minus 16 plus 20, how much? Plus 4, right? Then subtraction of integers on a number line. Here the subtraction of integers is the same as addition of its additive inverse. I take one example, minus 5 minus 4 subtracted means minus, right? Minus 5 minus 4, I take two negative integers, subtracted, right? First we remove brackets, plus into minus, minus 5, and minus into minus, plus 4. Here minus 5 is negative integers, plus 4 is positive integers. When we had one negative integers and also one positive integers, we must to be a subtracted, and then answer will take greater number sign. 5, 4, which one is greater? 5 is greater, right? We must be subtracted. 5 minus 4, 1. Which is greater? 5 is greater. Sign minus, right? Then let us subtract minus 5 and minus 4 on a number line. First we draw a line, mark on integers on a number line with same distance, right? First minus 5. Minus 5 is a negative integers. We start from 0, minus 5 towards left side, right? We move 5 units left from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 5, right? And then minus 4. Then move 4 units right from the minus 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then reach minus 1, right? First we move 5 units or 5 steps left from the 0, reach minus 5, and then move 4 units right from the minus 5, then reach minus 1, right? Thus we get minus 4 and plus 4 is equal to minus 1, right? Then I take some examples. First one, 23 minus of minus 30. Here first remove brackets, 23 remains same. Minus into minus plus 30, right? 23 plus 13, how much? 36, right? And take second one, minus 7, minus 8, minus of minus 25, right? First we remove brackets, no sign, we put plus, plus into minus, minus, minus 7, minus 8, and also minus into minus, plus 25, right? Minus 7 minus 18 is minus 15 plus 25, right? This one positive integer and also one negative integer, right? When you had two negative, one positive integer and also negative integer, we must be subtracted, right? 25 minus 15 is 10. The answer will take greater number sign, right? Which one is greater, 15 or 25? 25 is greater. Sign positive plus, right? There are some assignment questions. Use the number line and add the following integers. First one is minus 1 plus of minus 7 and plus minus 2 plus 8 plus of minus 4. Then second one, find the sum of 137 and minus 354. And second one is minus 52 and plus 52, right? And third one is find 50 minus of minus 40 minus of minus 2. Find the sum, right? I hope everyone understood. Please practice more. Work hard. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.